Hi you guys, today I'm taking a bath with the Lush Halloween bath bomb called Big Foot, and it's new for Halloween 2022. It's made with neroli and lime and frankincense, and it has the Lush Calacas scent, and it's a really pretty color of pink and blue, and you can see at the end of this video what color the pink and the blue make the water. And this one is a slow foamy bath bomb. That's a foamy slow type with a lot of nice bath art. And it's also got some silver glitter very lightly through the water. And so the end result is a deep purple water that doesn't stain whatsoever. It just washes off, and it has silver sparkles. Beautiful, and it's nice and fruity scented, and it's beautiful. I would rate this a 5 out of 5 rating. It's fun, and you don't think it's going to be as beautiful as it is in the water until it all comes together. So, love it. Thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll talk to you later on the next Lush Halloween demo video. Bye-bye.